And however, just the fact that this came down like that, just the fact that just for my opinion, another company, another person, another executive wanted to take my job, in essence, get me technology canceled, so to speak, bothered me. And I've always wondered why that occurs. And I'd like to tell some of the stories here. I think it's important. So first and foremost, and I decided this many years ago, that I would tell the truth. In other words, I would tell my opinion as it is. So I wouldn't, hold punches, so to speak, if I had an issue with a specific type of technology or looked at patterns of use, things like that. So things like the cost of cloud computing, being overly burdensome for many of the enterprises out there is kind of a core opinion that I've had for many years. That was not very popular. People didn't agree with me when I put out those statements. And at the end of the day, it turned out to be right. But ultimately, at the time, they're trying to sell something. They see me having an opinion that flies in the face of what they're trying to sell. And so that drives these, kind of passive aggressive hostilities that I see. And I'll kind of talk you through what those are. And we'll go through each of the messages that I put out there. And this is only just a small fraction of them. And how the industry reacted and how basically they were calling for my head. And it's interesting to me because it should be interesting to you, because if you're trying to figure out this industry, understand that forces are at work, which you may not be aware of behind the scenes, that may cause issue with you understanding all aspects about this industry, specifically cloud computing.